Hello, Mandeville. I have enjoyed so much seeing all of your work that you have done in Take One Book that I simply had to take over Assembly this week and show off some of the amazing work that your teachers have sent my way. It has been amazing to see you play and work with your siblings and really enjoy your learning this week because I know it must have been so hard to get back into the working mode after the holidays. So well done for persevering and working together with your siblings and with your friends. In this assembly, I wanted to show off some of the amazing work that teachers have sent me and show off how brilliant you have done. So enjoy the video and enjoy looking through work. See if you can spot your own. Okay? Enjoy and well done.
And I coloured in the world by Amahed Raza Ahmadi. My mum gave me a box of crayons for colouring and an eraser to rub things out with. So guess what I did?
So guess what I did? Desert. I rubbed out the word desert. I wrote the word roses. Roses. Red. With my red crayon I made roses grow all over the world. I gave the world red. Boredom. I rubbed out the word boredom. I got my blue crayon and wrote playing. Playing. Sky blue. All over the world people played. I gave the world sky blue.
Crying. I rubbed out the word crying. Instead, I wrote laughter with my purple pencil. Purple laughter. Now, all over the world, mothers danced and laughed with their children. I gave the world purple.
Boredom. I rubbed out the word boredom. I got my blue crayon and wrote playing. Playing. Sky blue. All over the world people played. I gave the world sky blue. I agree with Miss Jones. Silver sparkly things make me happy too. I like my sparkly silver headband and my mum's sparkly silver sandals and my shiny necklace.
Grief. I rubbed out that word grief. I wrote celebrate with my maroon paint. Celebrate maroon. I dried up all tears and the world was full of joy. Everyone smiled and laughed and no one was sad. I gave the world maroon.
Hate. I rubbed out the word hate. I used my blue crayon to write friendship. Blue. Friendship. All over the world, people stopped arguing and made friends. Everyone was happy. I gave the world blue.
Art lessons. I rubbed out these words art lessons. I wrote sport with my blue pen. Blue. Sport. I brought my family here and happiness appeared. I gave the world energy and the world's heart started beating again.
COVID-19. I rubbed out the word COVID-19 and wrote the word family with my blue crayon. Blue, family. I brought family back to the world after lockdown.
Sad. I rubbed out the word sad and wrote happy with my yellow crayon, yellow happy. I ran happy into my house and I no longer felt sad. I gave the world yellow.
Loud. I rubbed out the word loud and I wrote quiet in my blue teacher biro. Blue. Quiet. I brought quietness to the world. I gave the world blue.
I rubbed out the word alone and I wrote together with my black pencil. Black together. I brought the word together and suddenly no one felt and I gave the word black.